Berlin in the early 1900s was a city undergoing significant transformation, rapidly evolving into one of Europe's most important cultural, economic and political centres. Here's a snapshot of what Berlin was like during this period. Berlin experienced explosive population growth, becoming the third largest city in the world by 1900 with over 2 million residents. This rapid expansion led to the development of new neighbourhoods and the modernisation of infrastructure. The city saw a blend of architectural styles, from neoclassical and Baroque to the beginning of modernist influences. The construction of grand public buildings, such as the Reichstag, completed in 1894, and monuments like the Victory Column, reflected Berlin's rising importance. Berlin's infrastructure was modernized with the introduction of electric trams, extensive railway systems, and improvements in public services. The U-Bahn, subway, began construction in 1896, with the first line opening in 1902 marking the start of Berlin's extensive underground network. Berlin was a hub of artistic and intellectual activity. The city was home to numerous theatres, operas and concert halls, where artists and writers like Max Reinhardt and Gerhard Hauptmann thrived. Expressionism began to take root in the art scene, with Berlin becoming a centre for avant-garde movements. The early 1900s saw the rise of Berlin's famous nightlife, with cabarets and dance halls becoming popular. These venues became places where artists, intellectuals, and the bohemian crowd mingled, contributing to the city's vibrant cultural life. Berlin was a major industrial city, with factories producing everything from machinery to chemicals. The city's economic power was driven by companies like Siemens and AEG, Allgemeine Elektrizitätsgesellschaft, which were pioneers in electrical engineering and manufacturing. As Germany's capital, Berlin was also a financial centre, with numerous banks, insurance companies, and stock exchanges. The city's economy was increasingly integrated into global markets, further bolstering its status as a European powerhouse. Berlin was home to prestigious universities and research institutions, such as the Humboldt University of Berlin. The city attracted scholars, scientists, and intellectuals from across Europe, making it a leading centre for scientific research and education. Berlin contributed significantly to advancements in science and technology. Figures like Albert Einstein, who was associated with the Prussian Academy of Sciences, exemplified the city's role in scientific innovation during this period. The city invested in public parks, museums, and other amenities to improve the quality of life for its residents. The Tiergarten and the newly established museums on Museum Island were popular with both locals and visitors. Berlin in the early 1900s was a city of contrasts, rapidly industrializing, yet culturally rich, politically powerful, yet socially divided. It was a period of great dynamism, setting the stage for the significant historical events that would unfold in the decades to come, including World War I and the subsequent upheavals of the 20th century.
seinen Laubenkolonien, da blühen die Veilchen und Geranien. Mein Berlin, in deinen Straßen blühen die Linden und die leuchtenden Kastanien. Mein Berlin, auf dem Balkon, da glühen Tomaten, zehnmal schöner als in Spanien. Auf der ganzen Welt, gibt es nichts, was mir wie mein Berlin gefällt.